How to make money from YouTube and social media? Have you ever wondered how people make money online, just by posting videos or photos? Let's break it down. Here's how you can make money from YouTube and social media. Step 1. YouTube. Create a YouTube channel, post valuable content. This could be tutorials, entertainment, or even vlogs. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. That means YouTube will start paying you for ads that play on your videos. More views equals more money. But wait, there's more. Once you build a loyal audience, brands will want to work with you. They'll pay you to promote their products in your videos or posts. This is called sponsored content. Now let's talk social media. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. These platforms have their own creator programs too. For example, TikTok's Creator Fund pays you for viral videos. On Instagram, you can make money through brand deals, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own products. Affiliate marketing is simple. Share a link to a product. If someone buys using your link, you get a commission. Easy, right? To succeed, remember, be consistent. Know your audience. Create real value. Don't expect success overnight. But with time, effort, and creativity, you can turn your passion into profit. Start creating today.